So as you can see that my lock of my helmet has been broken, and I want to replace it. I bought the new lock for my helmet. It cost me rupees 500, and I'm gonna show you how to change the helmet lock. So in order to open the helmet lock, you need a screwdriver like this, a plus screwdriver to open three screws, one, two, three. It's simple to open like this. It's gonna be in the middle, and for this one, actually this L bend doesn't even work. So I opened it with this scissors. You can also do like this. It's much easier than this because it's a little bit it's a little bit less deep L. So not that deep plus. So it's very hard to open. Yeah. So with the help of this L screwdriver, I opened it easily. It will come off like this. So before changing the lock, we need to clean this. After opening the lock of the helmet, we need to replace it with the new ones. I ordered it from the official store, which is the www.axorhelmets.com. If you want, I will show you how to order it also. Otherwise, you can get it from the nearest bike store in your city. You can just open it like this. We don't need the screws, I think so, because we already have some screws. And this is the right one. Let me keep out the left one because I don't need the left one. And after taking the right lock of the helmet, you need to keep the positions in the right place. So it's already given this one. Now I realize that this doesn't even have a lock. So in order to keep this upper thing and lower thing, it has been it's for just for the lock for this layer, so that this don't come off. So in order to place it in a right place, you need to keep in two holes, which is this and this. You don't need to open this one. Just open this and this. Okay. So and I say it again. You don't need to open this screw. Just open this one, and the lock will come out. So after keeping the new lock, you have to just see that it's properly fitted like the other side. So you can also change the other side of the helmet, but for me it's okay. Now this one has a lock spring working, but for the previous one, so I can see that this thing has been broken for me, and I mean this red thing that you can see is broken for me for this old lock. So I bought a replacement for it, and is also the spring is also not doesn't work properly. Now in order to keep the visor for a helmet, just need to keep this aside. First, pull this lock, spring lock. Pull this backwards and just place it inside it. So you have to make sure that this comes here. Okay. In order to this comes here, and you have to here you have this points there. So one thing I kept, as I said, you have to keep this locks as this place. Okay. But for me, this one is giving trouble right now. So in order to so this locks. So it currently goes into this thing, as you can see. So this thing, and this has to go inside this thing. So now your helmet visor is okay. And so you can properly go and come out. So this is the proper placement of your lock system. I replaced my old lock with the new ones for my Axor helmet. And I have, if you want to see how I connected my intercom and the DJ Action 5 camera in my bike and my helmet, the videos are coming soon. Go and subscribe to the channel. It's Shades of Ajay, and make sure you like the videos.